The High Performance Athlete Program at BSS is a program that will provide the resources for athletes to be able to maintain their academic excellence, as well as to train at the level of competition that they are hoping to achieve or are achieving. Some of the resources that we have are physio, movement assessment, performance coach, strength and conditioning, and one-on-one nutrition consulting.
I'm a competitive 10-meter air rifle shooter, and I competed in the Canadian Grand Prix and the Winter Air Gun Championships in Camp Perry, Ohio. My ultimate goal is to represent Canada in the Olympics. Because I train daily, the High Performance Athlete Program has been really helpful. It provides the resources I need here at BSS to excel in my sport without compromising my academic responsibilities.
My schedule with being a competitive figure skater can become very busy because I'm skating every single day. And this year I was fortunate enough to attend nationals, and I really felt the support from the school, particularly the students and the faculty, that encouraged me and gave me the tools to attend a competition like this.
I'm a competitive soccer player who plays at the provincial level, OPDL, and a competitive track runner who runs at the national and provincial level, and I also competed at OFSA this year. This year has been very busy with different matches and training in preparation for OFSA. What has made this so manageable is the variety of sports from the High Performance Athlete Program here at BSS. I've recently been working with our nutritionist to refine my diet, specifically focusing on protein for muscle recovery. It's those small details, combined with the convenience of on-site physio and the flexibility and understanding of my teachers, that have allowed me to excel. Having my teachers see me as both a student and athlete makes all the difference in my confidence and my results.